everyone. We're going to differentiate this function both implicitly and explicitly. So the first thing we're going to do is find two explicit functions for solving for y in terms of x. So I'm just going to write this as y squared equals 16 minus x squared. I take the square root of both sides. You get plus or minus 16 minus x squared. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and graph that. Basically, you should know that this is a circle where the radius is 4 and your center is 0, 0. And that's what I did. But basically, when I graph this, the top portion here is the first function is 16 minus x squared, and the second one here, it's hard to draw in here, so my second one is going to be negative 16 minus x squared. Alright, now what we want to do is differentiate explicitly. So we have the derivative of y with respect to x, and let's go ahead and write the function down first. So we have that y was plus or minus square root of 16 minus x squared, which is the same as plus or minus 16 minus x squared to the 1/2 power. Alright, so I'm going to differentiate y, and I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to get plus or minus 1/2 16 minus x squared to the negative 1/2, and then you take the derivative of your inner function and using your chain rule, and that's going to be negative 2x. So cleaning this up, we're going to get minus plus x, because the 2's will cancel. These 2's will cancel over the square root of 16 minus x squared, and I can rewrite this as negative x over plus or minus square root of 16 minus x squared, and we know that this here equals what? Y. There it is. So my final answer would be negative x over y. Now implicitly, I'm going to write x squared plus y squared equals 16. So I'm going to differentiate implicitly. So you do the 2x plus the 2y times the derivative of y equals 0. And so we get 2y times y prime, the derivative of y, equals negative 2x. Divide both sides by 2y, so you get y prime equals negative 2x over 2y. The 2's cancel, so you get derivative of y is negative x over y. And that's all. We're going to do 3 more of these for part 2, 3, and 4. They get a little harder. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.